Hello everyone and welcome once again to my YouTube channel IT Guardians, where it is my goal to simplify IT solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install VirtualBox on Windows. This installation is independent of the Windows version, meaning it's the same procedure for Windows 7, 8, 10 as well as Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first step is to open a web browser. I'll be opening my Chrome browser, and afterwards search for VirtualBox download. Try to ensure that there's no space between the virtual and the box. Select the result showing downloads, Oracle VM VirtualBox, which you can see is from the official site from VirtualBox. We should know that downloading from official websites is quite good to avoid downloading viruses onto our systems, as some websites' authenticity cannot be verified. Since we are on a Windows platform, we'll be selecting Windows host. If you're on Mac, you select the OS X host. For Linux distributions, we select this. So now click the Windows host. The download has started and we wait for it to finish. Now we click on the downloaded file, click on next. We leave all the default settings here as they are. You can change the location where the program is to be installed, but I will also be leaving this as it is. Click on next. In this menu, create start menu entries means this application can be found via start menu. Create desktop menu means an icon for this application will be placed on the desktop, or we would leave everything as they are. Click on next again. Next, we proceed with the installation by clicking yes. Install. With this dialog screen, click on yes. Now it's currently installing. Now it's done installing, and then ensure this checkbox is checked and then click finish, so it enables the program to start after the installation is done. Now we can see our VirtualBox manager. One thing we need to check is to ensure that the VirtualBox extension pack is installed. So if you navigate to File, Preferences, and Extensions, you need to check if you can find a file called Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Currently, I do not have this file, so you have to download it. I would recommend you downloading this file because it provides support for using USB disk encryption, as well as some functions that provide great benefits in VirtualBox. So how do we install it? We need to go back to the web page where we downloaded VirtualBox. This is the web page where we downloaded VirtualBox, so we scroll down a little and we try to look for the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on the all supported platforms, as this file is the same regardless of the operating system. Now you need to browse the file you have downloaded above. So we go back to VirtualBox, click on this, look for where the file is located, select this, open it, and then it's going to ask you if you want to install it, and then you say install. Scroll down to the end. You can try to read this also if you want to read this, and click on the agree button. I agree. It shows a pop-up screen where I have to say yes, and then you can see that the installation is done. Click on OK. We can now see that this has been added in the extension segment of our VirtualBox. Another thing to check is the updates. So you go here to update, ensure that the checked for updates is clicked, and also choose the option stable release versions, as it ensures only versions that have been tested will be downloaded rather than just new versions that might have bugs and cause problems in your VirtualBox. Another thing you can look at is the language. So mine is currently on English, which is the built-in language. If you want to change your language of the interface, you can scroll down and select whatever you want and then click on it. So basically it's still on English, you click on OK or default OK. And if you want to create a new virtual machine, click on this new sign here. And you can also go to File, click on Machine, and New. And as you can see, you can put in the name of the machine, you can select the version of the system you want to install, and basically you need to have the ISO of the operating system you want to install, and I will show you more about how to create a new virtual machine in my next video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for the next video.